So guys, if you want to fix flashlight not working problem on your Redmi 15A, then don't worry about it. There's a simple and quick method to solve this issue easily. Just follow the steps shown on your screen, then problem will be fixed. And if this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. Let's fix it.